All right, so we're back here again with Damian. Damian, welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, brilliant. If you didn't hear the original podcast, make sure you go back and listen to that because Damian dropped some amazing content, completely opened my eyes as far as solo ads go and the benefits that you can look at, and also looking out for the pitfalls in it as well. So I'm just going to get to the bonus content now. So it's going to be the same question as what I normally ask everybody. So Damian, if you were to only do one thing in the next 30 days to guarantee an increase in profits, what would that one thing be?
So for me, it would probably be further optimization from the paid traffic campaigns that I run, right? So there's a lot of ways to source traffic, but one of the main methods that I do is AdWords and Bing search traffic. So I built my list based on people searching, for example, ways to make money online. I gather emails that way, and there's a lot of things to it that can actually make or break the cost that you pay per lead. So most impact for me would probably be there still. I'm still improving it, always improving it, and that would probably be what I would be doing the next 30 days. And I would recommend other people to do the same. Look at how you actually make the profit and improve the thing that's costing you the most money and but also gaining you the most.
Okay, right. So it's basically optimizing your campaigns. Is that what you're saying? And I think we
Yeah.
discussed in the podcast actually how to go about doing that specifically on your landing pages, for example. So yeah, that's super great. Excellent stuff. All right, Damien, we're going to wrap this up. I totally appreciate you coming back on and dropping this bonus content now. Obviously, Damien is a solo ads provider. What he's told me now and what I know of him as a person is completely genuine. His traffic should be solid. So if you are looking to get yourself some quality traffic via solo ads, then you can go ahead and click the link below this video, and Damien, I'm sure, will look after you.
Thank you.
All
Thanks a
right.
lot.
Okay. Till next time. Cheers.
See you. Bye bye.